Hey, good evening, Map here, Map Investments. Bringing you another video on today's stock market action and economic news. So, today was pretty stable day. We got big earnings events uh, coming out, especially later this week, and we got the Fed speaking tomorrow. Currently, the Asian markets. The Nikkei's down a little bit. Shanghai and Hang Seng open up here shortly. The European markets were down a smidge, and the U.S. markets were basically flat on the day. Not much action. And the futures, the Dow Jones is down a little bit because of Microsoft. It's probably dragging down that index. The small caps are down a smidge as well. And we'll go into the Tasty Work platform, the TD Ameritrade platform, and take a look at the futures in there as well. So this is the pre-market on the indexes. This is the regular trading session, which was pretty boring today, if you ask me. I got about 25 trades in. We'll go over some of my trades. Bonds, they're selling off a little bit, so yields are creeping up a little bit. The 10 years at 1.63. Oil had a nice day, back to 63 over 63, and natural gas is at 287 and it's gone up. Gold and silver and copper are giving some up because I know giving some gains up from today's session. They've been pretty flat, range bound. The dollar is up a little bit. And here you got your cryptos. Bitcoin up 2.6%, and Ether up almost 8%, XRP up 6%. On the news front, Google smashed earnings. At one point, I saw it up about 100. I don't know what it was, 97. So big move on Google. I have a broken wing butterfly in there. I'll take it. I had it to the put side, so those will expire worthless. Microsoft had a good earning, but for some reason, after hours, didn't pick up traction, and it was down 2.66%. But Microsoft's had a big run in the last month. You also had let me actually, you know what I could do? I can go to the this is pretty helpful. The stock tweets, and let's go to the earnings. I was reading some of the gold comments there. So the earnings. So here are the earnings for this morning and this afternoon. Enphase, a big solar name, didn't do well, down 8%. Clax did well, 3.78%. I think they're in the internet business. Audio Codes up 10%. They do like phones and stuff like that. AMD did well. They were up 3.5% almost. FireEye, not eventful. We talked about Microsoft. We talked about Google. Starbucks down. Visa up a little bit. Pinterest got destroyed. What else? JetBlue, 3M were in the morning. UPS, big winner in the morning. Raytheon, a big winner. Amgen, Lumina down. Eli Lilly, Texas Instruments, Corning down. Hasbro up a little bit. Capital One up a little bit. Crocs, big day. Boyd Gaming, huge. Juniper, Mondelez. See if there's anything else that catches my eye. TX was a metal play. They had great earnings. What else? There's a lot of earnings coming out. Tomorrow will be a big. I think tomorrow has some big names after the bell. We'll take a look at it. Okay, so that's those. A lot of the other ones are just names that are not common or not liquid. And then tomorrow, I did a play in Mass. You got Mass, Cole, Apple after the bell, Facebook after the bell. We got Boeing in the morning, Ford in the Ford in the morning. I'd probably Shopify after. I know Spots in the morning, Spotify. So we got some good earnings tomorrow. We got some market movers because we have Facebook and Apple, and they make a big portion of that Nasdaq. So should be interesting. I did a play in Wing Stop. We'll go over through some of my orders. So yeah, it's gonna be a busy day tomorrow. I thought today would be busier, but it was to be honest with you, it was dragging. So let's take a look here at the futures. Today I was down a little bit, mainly because of gold. Gold brought me down a little bit, but it was not that much. I'm still up for the week. I had a great day yesterday. Today gave back a little bit, but I'm still up for the week, and hopefully the next 3 trading days will be solid. The dollar is up a little bit, but still under 91. And all the foreign currencies are down except the Mexican peso. Bitcoin's up 580. Oil's over 63. S&P's flat at 4180. Gold's down 7 to 1771. The feeders are 135, hogs 106, and cattle is 115. Those markets are closed, and we did have a reversal in the grains. We'll talk about that now. Lumber is holding up there at 1420. Small caps are down to 2293. They were hovering about 2300 all day today. Right now, 2293. The Nasdaq's up a little bit to 13960. Platinum and palladium down some, but palladium's almost at 3K, and platinum's getting hit a little bit, but it's over that 1200 mark. Natural gas 293 on this contract here. Natural gas has picked up some steam, which I bought those UNG calls, and they're doing okay. We'll go over that. Silver holding that 26 handle. VIX, a little bit of a bid here. The grains are getting hit pretty hard now. They've had such a huge run up that I would assume these grains are going to pull back some. So they're getting hit pretty hard right now. And I have iron condors and broken wing butterflies in them. And we could take a look at those positions as well. Dow Jones is down 81 because probably Microsoft is affecting that index. The 30-year bond is down, meaning yields are going up. The 10 years down, meaning yields are going up. And that's pretty much it on the futures. Order front, on my fills today, I had about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, about 30 more or less. Yeah, about 30 trades. So in the morning, I bought back this future, small win. This one was a pretty good win today. Close this one out. One of my bigger winners, the NASDAQ. I closed out AI for 50% profit. This was Broken Wing Butterfly in AMD for earnings. CNC. Oh, I got filled in a put credit spread in CNC. It got hit hard today. Broken Wing Butterfly in Capri. Dash, Broken Wing Butterfly, collected $1. I did a calendar in Extreme Networks. They report tomorrow. GIK, I closed that out for 50% profit. I did an Iron Condor in Gamble. JD, I did Broken Wing Butterfly. Copen, closed for 50% profit. Life MD, closed out for 50% profit. Masco did 2 calendars for earnings. MGM, Broken Wing Butterfly. Melco, I did a calendar to the downside. I bought a call in Mosaic. MP Materials, closed out for 50% profit. I did a Broken Wing Butterfly to the upside for Microsoft. I'll keep that credit because I went down. Closed Apple. I mean, not Apple. Open Table. Not Open Table. I'm sorry. Open Technologies. The real estate company. 50% profit. Starbucks did a Broken Wing Butterfly to the upside. I'll keep that credit. SRNE, a Broken Wing Butterfly to the upside. Tech Resources, a copper play. Calendars and a Broken Wing Butterfly. T-Rex, 50% profit. I did a Broken Wing Butterfly in Tesla to the downside for next week, and I'll keep my credit for the upside. We can go through the orders there. VXRT was very popular name today. I did Broken Wing Butterflies and call credit spreads. Wingstop, Broken Wing Butterfly. Wish closed for a 50% profit. And Zillow, I did a Broken Wing Butterfly. So that was my activity for today on the opening trades. These are my opening positions. This is what I have open right now. Alcoa, American Airlines, Apple, Airbnb. And these are all option strategies for the most part. Abbott, Aurora Cannabis, Albertsons, Affirm, AI I closed, Applied Materials, AMC, AMD, Amazon, Aqua Bounty, AR, AREC, ATVI, American Express, Baba, Beyond Me, Citigroup, Carrier, Caterpillar, Church Capital, CCJ, Carnival, Cellcom, Century Aluminum, CF Industries, CHU, Chewy, Cleveland, Clean, Clover, CLPS, CLVS, Comcast, Chipotle, CNC, Coinbase, Capri, CRSP, CrowdStrike, Cisco, Carvana, Dash, DDD, D-Dog, Deere, DH Horton, Dow Jones, Disney, Dish, DraftKings, Dow, Dasaki is a transport company, DSX, DXC, eBay, eBond, ESI, Etsy, Earn, EFC, EXPI, Extreme, Ford, Facebook, Fuel Cell, Freeport McMoran, Flint, Fro, First Solar, FSM, Fisker, FUTU, Gold ETFs, miners, GDX, GDXJ, GE, GIK, Close, Gilead, General Motors, Gamble, GameStop, Gold, Google, Gap, GSX, HYG, Helion Holding, HZNP, IBM, IEF, Inno, INCE, Intel, IQ, IR, IWM, JD, J&J, JPM, Dr. Pepper, Copen, Cato's, K-Web, Lazar, Levi, Life MD, which I closed, LRCX, Lululemon, Macy's, Masco, MGM, MLCO, Mosaic, MP, MC, MRCC, Marvell, MS, Microsoft, MU, McEwen Mining, MVIS, NAT, NCLH, Netflix, NACOA, NMM, and NDM, Nucor, NVIDIA, OCGN, Open and Closed, Oracle, PHM, Pinterest, Playboy, Plug, PPC, Peloton, PayPal, Qualcomm, Qs, QSR, Rail, Ride, Rocket Mortgage, Romero, Roku, RTX, Save, SB, SBSW, Starbucks, Schwab, Socket Mobile, Stitch Fix, Shrimp, Shopify, Skills, Skechers, Sally Mae, Silver, ETF, Simply Food, Snap, Space, Spotify, Spy, Square, SRNE, STLA, they make cars, Tech, Tiger, TLT is like the 30-year bond, TME, Trex, TRK, Travago, Tesla, TSM, Tyson Foods, Twilio, Twitter, UAL, UAVS, UMC, UNG, UVXY, UWMC, Valley, Viacom, Vips, V-Ray, VXRT I played today, VXX is Volatility, WDC, Wing, Wish, Workhorse, Walmart, WPG, WY, Win, United Steel, XBI, ETF, XHB, XLE, XLF, XLOU, XME, X Mobile, Zillow. I'm short some of the small caps. I closed the micros. I'm losing a little bit on gold. I'm getting aggravated on this gold trade. I closed the NASDAQ, the NASDAQ ETF, and in the futures, silver, I have a broken butterfly, and then these are all my grains. So down right now, 719 on the day. Yesterday was up about $2,000, and gold is getting on my nerves right now, being down, but that's because the dollar is up a little bit. So those are my positions. I have a lot of positions. I'm an active trader. I put a lot of stuff on day in and day out. A lot of them will expire this Friday, and that's what I do day in and day out. What else on the headlines? I think we'll be status quo until tomorrow. The headlines. Let's take a look at the calendar. Tomorrow, what do we have on tap? Let's see. Tomorrow is the 28th. We have the FOMC announcement at 2 p.m. And we get retail sales at 8:30. EIA report at 10:30. And then FOMC and the press conference. And then we have those big earnings after the bell. So tomorrow we should get some movement in the markets. With Facebook and Apple being big percentage of the NASDAQ, Boeing's pretty big percentage of the Dow Jones. We should get some volatility, some movement. Anyways, that was my recap for today. Gold is hurting me a little bit right now. I'm still up for the week. I might have to make a move there because I don't want to give up the gains for the week. So I might have to manage that gold trade. I don't want it to get out of hand. Anyways, I hope you liked the video. Share it. Comment below. Like the video. Subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.